Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a magical mixery store unboxing and it is Valentine's Day goodies. I don't know if you guys started Valentine's Day crafting or you were late to your Christmas crafting, but you better grab these goodies while you can because they will sell out. I took everything. She had bubble wrap wrapped around some of the items so that, you know, they don't break or the bags don't slice open. Look how cute. She has the little lips. Let's open this guy first. Look how cute. So she has like the tiny little lips, and then she's got these cute like little lipsticks, the little love letters, cute little hearts that say love. Oh, I love this mix. Girl, you have not lost your touch. That is super cute. Wait till you see mine. It is hideous. And then she's got cute, so it's, get it? It's like lip theme kisses. She's got these cute little like flatbacks, but they're like they're clear, but the bottom part is glitter. Super pretty. And then these ones, cute little glitter flatbacks. So cute. Stinking cute. These charms are, so these lips, they're metal alloy charms, but they have pink diamonds across the bottom and top lip. Then she's got the cute little lipsticks, matches just with the sequins, and these cute little high heels with like a little heart on the very tip. Super cute in this little lip set. So fun. And we've got trinkets galore. Okay, look how fun, you guys. And then you can use some of this stuff for Christmas too, even if you're still Christmas crafting. Okay, so she's got the cute little red bows with the little eyelet at the top so you can hang straight from your like dangle and stuff already ready for you. And then she's got these cute little love ones, cute little red loves, and the back part is gold, so you can see. And then she's got some of the xoxo, the bubble, like the bubble font ones. Love these ones. I have these. They're so cute. So it's XO in red and pink. Oh, look how gorgeous these are. So these are like little red roses. Look how cute. So they're gold, and then it like kind of curves up. I got a side profile, and then I won't. It's taking me too long to open these with my nails, but look how cute. Little pink hearts, and they have a gold back alloy. Then she's got some cute little snowflakes. I know a lot of people do like winter theme Valentine's Day. Same with like baking theme Valentine's Day. So these are perfect for that. Little white snowflakes. And then we've got the cute little love letters. So these are white with the pink heart. Ooh, look at these. Haven't seen these love letters. Okay, look how cute. So they're all pink envelopes, 2 different shades of pink though, with a little heart on the top and in the center of the envelope as well. Those are super cute. I love those. These are the little lipsticks with the red heart. Look how cute. Oh, these are some black high heels with a red heart at the tip of the high heel. Super pretty. And then here's like that lip kit had. So it's cute pink ones with the red heart. I have never seen heart bells. How cute. So they're little like metal hearts shaped like a heart with a little heart cut out with the little hole at the top so that you can dangle these bells. Oh, those are so pretty. And then she's got some cute little red winter mittens, and it has like a tiny little gold snowflake with an itty bitty little diamond at the center of that. Ooh, so pretty. Love those. And then just like the red ones, she has a pink version that say love. Love that. Love that shade of pink. And then right here, it's got some cute little snowflakes. It's got a lot of detail like the lace part, the blade. These are in silver, obviously. Super pretty. These are little like hearts. It has a white enamel and then the gold little bow and then tiny little pearls all around the edge. These are super pretty. Dainty. Itty bitty these are, you guys. So these are tiny little like arrows, you know, heart cupid arrows. They are gold and black, and then it has like a tiny little thing for you to hang a loop. Those are so cute, and they are so tiny. And then we have this cute little like almost like a keychain. I don't know what type of like clasps these are called. Almost like a lobster clasp, kind of. Same concept. And she's got a cute little heart and bell. And this, you just hurry up, dangle on your project. It's already done for you. Super cute. That's a great idea to have those. Okay, I think that was all that bag. So look how cute. This is like kind of like a mascara wand, but not. Look how cute. It's kind of like that mix. It's got the lips, the lipstick says love, the blacks and the reds, and then the pink X's and the O's. Super cute. And look how cute. So this one's like a little rose container. And look how gorgeous. Oh, so she's got those itty bitty like resin. I mean, they're so tiny. White roses. You see right here. Look how tiny. It's smaller than that's like a 5mm sequin. So cute. The pinks, and then like little red hearts. And then there's also pink little roses in there. So cute. The rose color one. Guys, ooh, these are fun. Flatbacks, and these are in a bright, beautiful red. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't know if those are the same size as the pink ones that I saw. Like, these almost look good enough to eat. Look how cute these are. These red hearts, and they're like I call it wonky, like a wonky heart. Like, see how this side's shorter and this side goes up more? I love wonky hearts. Super cute. So many treasures. So fun. Okay, look at these. So these almost look like a lollipop or a popsicle, I should say. Like on a popsicle stick. Little 3-tier ice cream in ombre pink. And then like that would be the popsicle stick part. How cute are those? Ooh, love that. Ooh, look at these. So these hearts, you can totally add this as like the focal point of your dangle. They almost look like if you had a heart-shaped die cut it out in craft paper, and then glue this on. That could be the sugar cookie, like the icing. Does that make sense? That's like instantly what I thought of when I saw these. Ooh, those are super cute. Ooh, these are fun. These are like not tie-dye, but a swirl resin cabochons. Little roses, but it's like a swirl black, gray, and cream color, like a white. Ooh, those are cute. And they're flat, so you can just glue them directly on your project or add a bail and they could be a dangle if you wanted. Red ones. So these are a swirl of the red, pink, and the white. So, so pretty. So cool. I haven't seen those. And then we got some cute little rainbow, like ombre rainbow hearts. And again, they are wonky, so they come and they kind of swoop like a ghost tail to the left. Super cute little flatbacks. And then look at these guys. Again, I've never seen anything like these. Well, glitter gummy bears. And they are two-tone with hot pink and then like regular pink. So you can see it like poured into the mold in super cute colors. Love, love, love. And this is like a yarn. Oh, look how cute those are. I love the colors. They're very vibrant but bright pastel, if that makes sense. Look how cute. Yarn hearts. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, no. They look like silicone, but they're not. They're a hard plastic or resin or whatever they make them with. Cute little wonky heart with a little baby heart up in the corner. Ooh, I love those. And then we've got some gorgeous. These ones are all like a solid black. You guys know that. I'm pretty sure the majority of the Valentine's Day collections have black in it. So black, rose, gorgeous, nice high gloss. Itty bitty little balloon heart cabochons. So you can see the string, the little tie, and then it's got like the highlight detail. Look how stinking cute these are, and look at the colors. Pastels. Gorgeous. Staple, black and white stripe, little flatback hearts. Ooh, so fun. We have some cute little flower cabochons. These are like oh wait, these are not resin. These are like a plasticky, almost like those beads. Or is this a bead? Oh, it is a bead. So you would be able to see, oh, hold on. Hot mess over here. So depending on your pokey tool, these would fit on there. But they're a white pearl pokey tool. Again, it has to be a slim pokey tool or pen because I know they come in different sizes depending on the brand and where you got them. But super cute. Okay, you guys, I think that is everything. Yes, that is. Okay, I will link categories down below. Thank you so much, Sarah, for sending me an awesome little package. And you guys, I will catch you on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.